I'm at the Grand Canyon. You guys see this? Oh. So awesome. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Far From Homeless. And today, I'm bringing you to the Grand Canyon. Are you ready to go to the park, Bubble? Well, I never thought I'd actually be on the switchbacks in the Grand Canyon, but here I am. I'm doing it right now, by myself, all the way to the Colorado River and back. 5:27 in the morning. Putting my socks on. Gonna try to get the 6 o'clock bus and hit the trail. Here we go, you guys. The bus is right there. First bus of the morning. Oh, it's leaving on me. Whatever, we'll get the next one.
11 minutes later.
It's 6:30 in the morning, and I just started the trail right up from over there. Got off the bus, and there's already mule poop everywhere. But look at these views. When mules pass, follow mule guides instructions, and there's definitely enough space on the trail for you not to fall off. And there's some other people on here going on the switchback. That's where I'm about to head. And there it is. I will tell you guys right now, this is nothing like Coco Crater in Hawaii. And this is nothing like Manitou Springs in Colorado. This is top-notch shit right here, you guys. Above the rim. So far, I was up there, and now I'm down here. Not far, about maybe 5-7 minutes in, but these guys behind me, they were ahead of me, and now I'm ahead of them. But I started the trail with 2 girls, and they've never done it either. These guys haven't either, so it's just crazy to see that I'm not the only beginner, I guess you could say. First timer. Now, if anybody's watching this and ever wants to plan a future camping trip in the backcountry, go ahead and DM me on Far From Homeless on Instagram. Let's plan something. And then you got guys like this that run these trails. I couldn't do it, you guys. I couldn't. More power to you, man. More power to you.
Good morning, how's it going?
Yeah, beautiful. Have a good one.
You too.
And I'm hoping that's the kind of people that I meet on these trails, because so far everybody has said hello. Well, I thought Uwa Point would have been a lot further, right around the ridge, but here we are at Uwa Point. Oh, look at that. Woo. It is windy up here. Oh, you do not want to get close to the edge, and then big gusts of wind. These winds, I'm assuming, get really, really tough. Just take a good look at that sidewall. That used to all be water. It used to be all water at one time. Crazy. Now, this is probably like hundreds of thousands of years ago. Obviously, I wasn't alive. So I did get some sunrise. When I woke up this morning, it was cold in my van, so I decided to wear long johns underneath my hiking pants, and I can tell you right now I'm already sweating on my thighs a little bit. We made it to Cedar Ridge. The views are amazing. We have the first, well, I'm assuming, I think, is the outhouse. Yep, bathroom time. Where I'm standing, that's the outhouse. Definitely not where you want to take a number 2. And right over here is the entrance to the trail again. So far I've made it down here. I saw this at the top of the rim. And I thought that was gonna take me like an hour or 2 to get down. And it's been about an hour. But the views are just getting more spectacular as we go. Sun is still rising. The weather is beautiful. It's supposed to be 75 at the rim. So I'm assuming down here is gonna be around 90. But I'm not gonna be able to tell because I probably won't have service on my phone. Oh, look at this thing. You won't get these views anywhere in the United States. Nothing like it. Look at those views! Look at those views! That is amazing. And then on the other side is where the sun's rising still. We're gonna make our way back down there further. Let's just look at that. That's everything that I hiked. I came all the way from up there down here. Now the rim where I came from is behind that ledge, that rock formation. We are about to get to Skeleton Point, which is a beautiful sight. Look at that gorge. 7:36 a.m. I've been hiking for roughly an hour and we're already at Skeleton Point. Man, the Grand Canyon is beautiful. If you can get out here and hike for at least a day or 2, definitely do it. All I know is that you can't go camping in the back country unless you get a permit, and you know, that stuff is at a lottery, I guess, and that's like 6 months to a year in advance. Last night, I saw a fire in the gorge down there, and I was like, oh, someone's having a campfire. So cool. Oh, look at those switchbacks. So cool. I was just about to take a picture and I just realized that's the Colorado River down there. Right there. In the middle of the screen. Flowing. From here it looks green. Oh my God. Look at this. That's the ledge. Holy crap. I'm gonna stay over here. That's nerve-wracking. That's nerve-wracking. Especially at that point right there. Ooh. That should be called ooh-ah point right there. Because you're like, ooh, get close. Ooh. We're just about to approach our second outhouse. We're so deep in the canyon right now, you guys. We haven't even got to the Colorado River. That was my plan from the get-go, was to hike the Kaibab trailhead and then go to the Colorado River and back. What's up? So right there is that storm shelter that all the other YouTubers talk about in case there's a storm coming in or something, or you just want to catch some cool down time sitting in the shade. These things. Alright, I had to change out of the thermals that I had under these pants. Took off my thermals, my bottom thermals, my long sleeve shirt, and my hoodie already. And these pants, I paid $35 at like a clearance place where they said no return, so I'm actually pretty happy with them. I was gonna buy them with the cut-off shorts with the zipper, but those things were like $95 to $115 a pair. Alright, currently taking a break, you guys. Have all my gear. I haven't used my hiking poles yet, and I haven't taken any water out of there. I've only used this one. It was frozen this morning. But I'm drinking my Red Bull. That's all going to be packed into that bag or on the exterior of the bag while I'm hiking. But we're going to keep descending a little bit. But just going to get some beef jerky in me. Well, I'm pretty sure it's been a long video so far, so I'm gonna make part 2. Hopefully you guys subscribe, stay tuned in, because so far I've gotten pretty far deep into the canyon and I want to show you guys the rest. Who knows how many other videos there are gonna be on this Grand Canyon playlist hike, but I'm gonna bring it all to you guys. It up there, I was really surprised. With sandals. With sandals.
Flip-flops, that's
Flip and flop.